Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And this is a little bit of a messy chart, but you get the message, I think. Funding negative, discounts also. We had just a lower low today set. I was talking about it on Twitter 10 hours ago. I was saying while we were at 17,800, I'm not liking this. We do not see any, we see discounts at the moment. And well, 2 hours later, we set the low about $300 lower, and we popped it up really hard. I went long over there, and right now we are over 18k. So really good trade, really happy about that. And yeah, it was a bullish dump because everybody got stopped out and everybody had to re-long again, and we saw discounts finally. We saw negative funding finally. So yeah, it is a bullish dump, a dump to go back up actually. Earlier this week I was also tweeting about XRP. We will, or yesterday, we will take a look at that as well. If you trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these sign up links in the video description as well, because you get discount on your fees and you do not want to pay fees. Back to Bitcoin, we will break this trend line now and we will go higher. VPVR isn't showing any real level for us at the moment, but of course it is about this high. We want to see a higher high being popped over there, and it's around 18.5k. And yeah, that's the level to break right now. That is the first level to see resistance for Bitcoin. Another Bitcoin chart, a little bit cleaner. We have the daily candle over here. It's all a doji. It's getting bought up, looking quite good. For a bounce over here. Ethereum on the daily, really good as well. If Bitcoin moves up, which I expect it to do, we will move up here again as well. And it's just a higher low, which is bullish, back for the triple top if you ask me, and triple tops do not exist, so we will moon higher. ADA was a request from a follower. So yeah, we take a look at ADA, of course, because that's what we do here. What do I see? I'm not sure I'm having the correct chart with enough history in it. Yeah, I do see a line over here. If you see something else, let me know in the comments, because I always like to hear. Is this something? Yeah, I believe it is. We see some nice contact points over here. This one is, a little bit too steep for my liking. That one will break eventually. This chart is not specifically bullish. I'm on a daily that is very high time frame. Maybe I see something over here. I can't say I like what I see yet. Best case scenario, this one plays out, but it is a little bit of a rising wedge. We have something like this similar. It's probably going whichever way breaks first, and that's the direction they will go. Other than that, I'm not really seeing anything to trade on for. Yeah, ADA. It did set a higher high over here, but other than that, I'm not really I'm trying to see what the person might see in it, but I'm not really seeing anything that bullish on it. The trend is up, of course, but not something that makes me very wild at the moment. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me know what you are seeing. Show me a chart. Maybe this chart doesn't have enough history either. It's just from May 2018 on. Taking a look at Dash. Dash is looking quite good over here. Why, you ask me? Because we see something like this over here, which is, do we see it connecting with this? Let me check. Yeah, we could connect with something like that, in my opinion. We see a lot of points of contact over here. Right now, they're probably doing a retest, and they made a higher high already. And I mean, we can look at it with the bare eye, but they're coming close to very important spots over here. Not something making me very bullish, but it's not looking bad. They made a higher high, and ideally you wanted to bounce over here. They didn't. They're gonna do, I think, a retest of this one. Worst case, retest this one, break below that, short it. But I mean, for now, yeah, they could really do quite a big move. Trend is up, I think. Does something like this connect? I'm not really much of an altcoin trader. I like to trade really liquid things like Bitcoin. XRP does look very good over here. I tweeted about it earlier this week. There's an airdrop coming as well for XRP. So a lot of people bought it spot and hedged short on it on margin exchanges. But I mean, over here, the daily looks like an extreme shooter. This is going up. This is going to the yearly highs. I'm very confident on XRP. Of course, there's a lot of spot being held now, and the airdrop is coming, and that's why people bought it, but they're hedging short on margin exchanges, so there is some fuel to the upside. And yeah, I am quite bullish because of that. Taking a look at the funding rates, yeah, Bybit very negative for Bitcoin. Yeah, looking very good, looking like something you wanna long. Bitcoin is looking really good over here. Over here as well, you can see the majority is short. And yeah, fundings look pretty good as well. And that's basically about it. Someone asked me about my trades. Well, I tweeted about it earlier today. Over here, I was 10 hours ago. It was just before the lower low. I said I didn't like what I was seeing. We broke this line. We saw positive. We saw premiums on margin exchanges, and that is very scary. 2 hours later, we set the low, the new low, at $17,500, and we were bouncing really strong. And that's what you want to see. You want to see premiums flip into discounts, and that is when you buy hard. And we're seeing the bounce now. I didn't scoop the bottom. I can brag about me scooping the bottom, but I didn't. You want to see the reaction. You want to see the premiums disappear, and you want to take the meat of the move. And I think I caught the meat of the move, and I waited for confirmation. And this bounce was really a confirmation. Also seeing fundings drop negative, premiums disappear. That is when you buy. That's when you attack. So yeah, that is about it for today. Like I said, if you play with some leverage, make sure to use one of these sign-up links. They're in the video description as well. They give you really nice discounts. So bullish on Bitcoin, bullish on Ethereum, Cardano. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm not seeing it. Dash. Maybe I'm missing it as well. I'm not really seeing it. XRP, really bullish. Really like that a lot. Fundings looking very good. And yeah, that's about it for today. Like I said, if you have any questions, you have anything to advise me or give feedback on, please let me know in the comments. I always love to hear that. See you guys again tomorrow.